Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 67 Lemans. Nice old car, 45,813 believed to be actual. And I normally don't say that, but I got some receipts that kind of back it up. It shows that it was a one-owner car for a lot of years, up into the 90s anyway. I ain't saying it's a one-owner car, but the same lady owned it up to the 90s. There you can see the heater. See the old AM radio? Yeah.
Billings in St. Paul.
There's the AM radio working. Dome light works, as you can see in my pictures. Wipers work. We'll show you the lights. They did rebuild the motor and transmission. According to the previous owner, I have no paperwork on it, but you can see it's been painted. Motor code, power steering, power brakes, runs like a watch. And if you're into original cars, this is a cool original car. Owned by the Longs out of Billings, Montana. And everything works. So most of these Lemans have had the 326 jerked out of them. They put 389 or 400s in them, or 455s. This is an original car with a 326. Hard to find. 605-695-7391.